Our topic for today is how to replace Honda key fob. First thing we're gonna do, flip the key and slide the lever down and pull the key like this. The second step is split the key with your hand and separate the battery holder from the cartridge. Then push the battery with your thumb, then pry with a small screwdriver like this. Remove this old battery. Put the new battery down. Don't forget to remove the cover of the battery. Next, put the battery, then push at the front until you hear a snap. And then put back together. To put back the key, you need to press again the lever down. Then you have a new battery.